All right, we're gonna start the real quick, a little more detailed tour inside. Here's your cabin, cockpit main area. This right here is where your auto leveling system is, light control. You can adjust your roof mirrors, side view mirrors. This window opens up. Your radio system, your passenger. Cool thing for your passenger. This lets out. Now they got a little desk to laptop, also some storage stuff up under there. Got some outlets right there, so that's cool. Also, the passenger side, that window opens up also. Plenty of storage up here at the top. Plenty of storage at the top. See those little bins up here? Let's get to the bed. Let's see, let's let the bed down. Right here, there's a key. You have to insert your key right here and turn it. This sort of keeps you from mistakenly up and lowering it when someone's driving or something like that. So you put your key in, now you lower it. I'll let it come all the way down. All right, so as you can see, you look up here, you've got plenty more storage overhead back there. So whoever's sleeping up here, they can put the phones and things like that. Got some lights up here where you can see a little more light up there. But yes, 2 small adults or a couple of kids can sleep up there easily. All right, we're gonna let that back up for right now. Same thing, just hit the raise button right there, and it's gonna go through all of that, lift it up, back up, and raise and back up. Just want to go through the whole sequence so you can see how long it takes to set up and break down. It goes up. You see them little magnetic little clips on the side to hold it up. And bam, there it is. Take your key out. And that's that with that. All right. Right here, here's your first little booth. You can sit 4 comfortably here. This lowers down. Take this out, you can put another part right here. You can probably sleep another adult, 2 more adults right here in this little area. So that lets into a bed. Right here, here's your jackknife sofa. You lift that out. I'm not gonna do it, I got some stuff sitting right there. You can pull that out, you probably get 2 more people, small adults, on this jackknife bed. Let's walk over here to now the sink area. Pretty good amount of counter space. Again, plenty of storage. Plenty of storage underneath. Drawers. Got this little spice rack cabinet, pulls all the way out. Plenty of storage. Over here you got your 3-burner stove with an oven, your microwave, that's your light for your hood, fan, microwave. On down, got your fridge. This fridge runs off of a gas, propane, and electric. Freezer up top. It's important to make sure you got your RV level when you're running propane level, but it automatically will check. Like if you're not connected to shore power or something, it will switch on, so it's just automatic for that. Got more storage right here under the fridge. All right, here's a view from bathroom area back. More storage right here. Plenty of storage, plenty of storage. Here's one of your control panels right here. I'm going to show you. We're going to bring the slide in. You got your water pump, your LP gas on or off, 110 on or off. Here's your meters right here. LP, your gas tank, pretty full. Batteries, pretty full. Fresh tanks, empty. Black tank is empty. Gray tank got a little something in there. All right, this is your generator hours. It shows you how many hours your generator you want to operate and run your generator. After so many hours, you need to do maintenance on it, change the oils out and things like that. Here's your thermostat heat, control your AC and your heat. And I'm gonna do the last thing. I'm gonna bring the slide in. That'll be the last thing I do. Bathroom again. Toilet. My first repair project I'm gonna have to do. You see that ring seal on there? It's not holding water, so I'm gonna have to place that little black seal in there. That'll be the next video that I do. One of my first repairs on this RV. Shower, pretty good size. Max fans throughout. Towel rack. Back here to the bedroom. Privacy blinds, they all raise up. Just sort of simple like that. Look out, going back down. Emergency exit. Got drawers and storage on each side of the bed, which I love. Then you look on that side, drawers and storage on each side. Overhead storage. Got a little TV back here. And privacy with this door right here. And now, privacy area. Pretty cool. Press down on this latch. And the doors close out. All right. Last little thing for the inside. Here's your maintenance. Your first little thing. When you're storing, let's say you got your RV, you're not going to use it for a while. You just hit this button. It's going to cut off all the power to the inside of your house batteries. Step, if you want that automatic, come on, you can control that. These are your house lights and your awning, in and out, and right here. So let's let this slide in because we got some weather coming in here in Nashville, and we want to let this slide in to keep the weight of the snow to be on that slide out. So let's see how long it takes for this to come in. This right here, just simply retract. And you'll see this whole slide coming in. All right, 30 seconds or so. And as you can see, still got enough room to walk in and walk back. You can still get into your bathroom, even though you can't open it all the way up, but you still access your bathroom. You can still pull out right here and access everything back here in the back with your slide in. All right. And that's going to conclude the inside tour of detailed tour. The next one will be my outside tour, all the outside thing. All right, peace. Me and my RV.